Nityanandam. This is Sri Nitya Mayatirthananda for NTV News live from Dhyanapidam Ashram, Bidadi. It's Wednesday, May 18, 2011. The headlines. Today's morning satsang on topic
from egoism, various minds are created.
Tamil Nadu High Court punishes Nakkiran, a Tamil tabloid, for defaming Swamiji and also for contempt of court. Wellness Tuesdays, a new model to offer life solutions to people in Singapore. In miracle news, Kumkum and Vibhuti on face, hands and palms of devotee in Oman and Vibhuti on the palms in Las Vegas. Now for the main news. In today's morning satsang, Swamiji spoke on the topic, from egoism, various minds are created. When you deal with your son, you deal as a father. When you deal with your employee, you deal as a boss. If you are without awareness, they can be a bondage for you. If you are with awareness, these can become multidimensional in you. If your various minds are expressed and if you are unclutched to them multidimensionally, you can be a conscious, enlightened being. If there is a shaft and the different minds are getting clutched to it, you are a foolish being. Yet another beautiful learning from Swamiji.
If your various dimensions are bondage to you, you are bound, unconscious, fool. If your various minds are expressing different dimensions of you, you are conscious, intelligent, enlightened beings. Understand? Same mechanism. It's like the central, that's a shaft, that's the ego. The various minds are the different shafts getting clutched to it. If this ego has the intelligence to unclutch from these various shafts, these various shafts becomes your multi-dimension. You can play with it without stress. When you are clutched, each expression of your ego is a bondage mind, ignorance. When you are unclutched, each expression of your ego becomes multi-dimension of you, and your ego also is no more ego. It is called enlightened intelligence, the. Please understand. In me, I can handle 25 minds at a time. One side I can be a child, another side I can be a guru, another side I can be a teacher, another side I can be a CEO, another side I can be a master, another side I can be a god. I can express multi-dimensions, at least 25 dimensions at a time without getting confused. Very easy. Each department, I can have a separate file in my brain. Whatever, wherever I see, will directly go and settle down in that file. And next time when I open that file, all the information will come.
If you missed the morning satsang, you can watch it again on NTV at 8 p.m. Indian Standard Time. The discussions will also be uploaded on our YouTube channel, Life Bliss Foundation. In legal news, the Tamil bi-weekly yellow journal Nakkiran has been consistently publishing outrageously false and defamatory articles against Paramahamsa Nityananda and his organization. Nityananda Dhyanapidam filed a case in the Madras High Court against Nakkiran and obtained a strongly favorable order on 21st April 2010 restraining the tabloid from publishing further defamatory articles. Grossly violating the court order, the tabloid continued to publish the false articles, thus inviting contempt of court proceedings for themselves. Nityananda Dhyanapidam filed 10 contempt of court applications, one for each defaming issue of the magazine that was published violating the restraining order, 29th April 2010 being the first application and 16th September 2010 being the last one. It is to be noted that the defaming articles appeared even after the September 2010 issue. The case went for trial with a division bench of the High Court of Chennai. On 19th April 2011, the trial ended with a favorable final order passed by the division bench of the High Court of Tamil Nadu, details of which will be informed shortly. In other news, the Singapore devotees are planning to have a day of the week dedicated to different life solutions. Wellness Tuesday, Wealth Wednesdays, Bhagavad Gita Fridays, etc. to spread the message of Swamiji to the people. As part of this initiative, they launched Wellness Tuesdays today. They have a report for us.
Nityanandam, I am Pradeep Ananda Shraddha, reporting from Singapore. Today, we are very happy to launch Wellness Tuesday. Today, we are sharing our understanding from modern science and taking it to the back to the Vedic understanding. Today, in Wellness Tuesday, we spoke about health and food. We had a talk of the day on the food from modern science by me. Then we have talked on food on Ayurvedic perspective by Vishimitra. Then we spoke about the Vedic concept of the food and the energy by Ma Bhakti Priya. It was very good launch from Singapore. We have a lot of new people. We have a crowd of 35 people here. They enjoyed the talk. They enjoyed the understanding which we shared from the modern science. As far as 2011 reference was quoted, and then there was one reference quoted from 5,000 years back which was talking about food. So it's a good mixture of modern science and Vedic understanding. People were very happy to know, to get that understanding and live. We are planning to do this Thursday, this wellness meet regularly. The basic structure we'll be talking about is a topic of the day where we will share the modern understanding on the disease or the health condition, followed by Ayurvedic understanding, followed by the dietary aspect of it, followed by the yoga aspect of it, which is helpful, and a meditation and a prayer. So we hope that we can continue and report more successes from Singapore on that topic. Nityananda.
Nityananda. This is Rishi Nitya Mitrananda, reporting here from Singapore. It's my last night in Singapore. I've been here for 1 week, and I would like to say thank you to everyone in Singapore for receiving me and organizing these nice events. The first and fitness that was given, the first and fitness workshop last weekend on the 14th of May, and then the moon salutation, Chandra Namaskar. And we ended with the Wellness Tuesday, explaining the science of food to a nice audience here. So I see a lot of potential in Singapore. Everything is really growing and flowering. So I hope to be back very soon. I really enjoyed my visit here. So all the best for everyone in Singapore. Let the Sangha grow and expand with Swami's energy as always. So on that, thank you very much and see you next time. Nityananda.
In miracle news, on the occasion of the anniversary of Swamiji's Enlightenment Day, Swamiji blessed everyone and said thousands of people would experience the Kundalini awakening. 2,500 miles away in Oman, Ma Nitya Devi immediately had Vibhuti appear all over her face and hands and kumkum in her palms. We also got a report from a devotee in Las Vegas, USA, about Vibhuti appearing on the palms.
At least 1,000 people will receive Vibhuti and Kumkum today. In their hands. 11, we are going to do the materialization of Vibhuti and Kumkum in the devotees' hands in 10,000 places. Today we will do the pilot study, at least 1,000 places. So sit in Padmasana and Samana Mudra. Really the broadband connection is very powerful. It's neither 2G nor 3G, it has gone to 7G now. At least in 10,000 places people will experience levitation today, and at least 1,008 places people will receive Vibhuti and Kumkum Prasad in their hands. I gave 50 lakh to Arunachala for the all the Annadana for free. Meals we serve. We give food to all the sadhus and devotees, pilgrims who come there. I gave 50 lakh. 20 lakh for construction of the kitchen. 25 lakh for the fixed deposit. I promised them I will give 2 more crores, 2 crores more. I wanted to feed sadhus and we are expanding. Earlier we were giving food to 1,200 people. Now we wanted to do it near the temple also. Near the temple also we will be starting another counter where we will feed all the sadhus and all the pilgrims. Giving food to people, especially pilgrims, is the greatest blessing. If I did not take up this mission, I would have become a Bole Baba in the banks of Ganga, especially in Bengal. Or I was sitting in Arunachala and giving food to all the sadhus every day. These two are my vision for life.
That's all from us for tonight. Before we end our news, let's hear a quote from Swamiji. If you are integrated in your seeking, the total transformation will happen to you. Thank you for joining us. Tune in for tomorrow's updates on NTV Nityananda.